lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post a lot of beauty related content here, and right now we are doing Revolution week. So today we are going to be testing the Berry Cute palette on my eyes. Now we are going to be testing a whole load of other products from Revolution that were from my haul, so just keep up with this week and hopefully I've tested majority of the stuff in my box. So yeah, let's start off with putting some primer on for my eyelid, but first actually let's look at this bad boy. It is the Berry Cute Obsession palette. It is so tiny and so cute and adorable. That is what it looks like. I don't know why I always turn things to the side. That is what it looks like. Now we've got a shade called Berry here. Then we've got Too Cute and Sweet. Too Cute is like a pink shimmery and Sweet is like a dusty muted pink matte shade. Then we have two more mattes. We have Fruity and Delicious. Fruity is like just a nice transition brown shade. Delicious looks coral. Pop looks like a burgundy shimmer. Then you've got Fallen, Juicy and Love. Fallen has a slight muted gold shimmer to it. Juicy is a matte deeper brown and Love is a matte deeper berry shade. So again, like I said in my haul, it doesn't remind me of berry tones. The palette's berry, but I feel like they could have done more with the berry tones in the palette. But let's swatch them. Oh, I'm not sure how well my swatches will be because this is a really tiny palette. So they are the first three shades. They've swatched beautifully. They feel lovely as well. And then we've got the second three shades. And again, they are swatching beautifully. And the last row. There we go. I feel like there's enough mattes in there to create a cute look, and I feel like the shimmers have actually worked really well to swatch. Now the test is to see how they perform on my eyes. Okay, I do have the Beauty Bay eye base down because the Revolution base I have is too dark for my skin tone right now because I have medium. And another thing is I've lost my XX brow pomade. I don't know where I've put it. The first thing I want to do is take this shade in the corner called Love. There's a little bit of kickback, but not that much. And there's a nice little mirror, which helps. Okay, there's a lot of fallout, but that's because I haven't dusted off my brush. Well, that worked really well. Now I want to go in the shade Berry at the top here in the corner and just blend out the edges. Oh wow, those two colours blend together really well. That has worked out so quickly and stunning. Then let's go in with Sweet in the corner. I was thinking of this shade here, Juicy, but I want to keep the pink, so we're going to go in with Sweet. I'm sorry, but the blend is insane in this palette. Wow. Okay, now I want to go in with Too Cute on my lid. Ooh. This is a nice soft pink. You really have to dig your brush in, but I just think because the pans are tiny. So to blend that Too Cute shade into the darker shade on the edge, I want to take the shade Pop, which is like a cranberry type shade, and I just want to put that like here on the outer corner. It's kind of given that shadow that I need. Now I need to put some eyeliner on, and without further ado, I'm using my Roxy eyeliner. When am I not? So I'm just gonna throw this on and we're going to do some base together. So I've only done the tiniest of wings because I literally just want the eyeliner on so that I can put falsies on, because I've actually extended it so it goes around, and we are going to put a bit of colour underneath my eyes. So right now I'm going to be using Conceal and Define. Now the only palest shade I have is F2, and I think this is like too pale for me, but we're going to use it anyway. I'm using this on my Roxy sponge, of course. I don't know why I ever thought this shade was ever a match for me. I look like a bloody ghost. So we're gonna go in with Conceal and Define. And it wouldn't be complete without my Rev Pro CC translucent powder, of course. I haven't got a new bronzer to test out, so I'm going to go in with the I Heart Revolution medium no, the medium is way too dark. I'm not going in with that. I will go in with the Coffee Bronzer in Latte. I do have a new blusher that I bought off of Jill, and this is in the shade Vision. It is definitely a shade, for me, it's a very berry undertoned pink. Why not use my new brush? This is the R6. There's definitely like a gold sheen to this blush, very up my street. That will become a staple in my collection. Oh, again, dropping everything. The highlight I want to use is this shade Focus. This is the one, if you watch my collection video, that was broken. It somehow shattered. So I love this shade, so I'm definitely going to use it. I want to take the shade Berry under my lash line. Time to take this excess purple liner in my waterline. I wish I had a pink, but I don't. I have a green, purple and black. For lips, I'm going to go in with this, I think her name was Dana. She did a lip kit, and this is the only lip liner I can find by Revolution that actually works. And then I'm just going to put a bit of gloss over it. This Hydro Bomb gloss actually smells like vanilla. It's so nice. The last couple of bits I'm going to do off camera. I'm going to do my Makeup Obsession eyebrow kit off camera. Then I'm going to use the Tasty Peach mascara, because actually it's the only mascara I own. I threw out the chocolate dip because I had actually finished it. And then I'm going to put my Roxy lashes on and we're done. So be back in a jiffy. Okay guys, here is the finished look. I got my Roxy lashes on, I used the Tasty Peach mascara, I did my eyebrows, my lips are looking juicy. I am in love with it. Now let's talk about this palette. This palette packs a punch. I actually did go in and add the shade Fallen to my inner corner and brow bone. Just a little bit of a sparkle. This palette, the colour story I feel like could be a little bit more berry, but the pigmentation is so good. Like, it literally blends out really well. It packs a punch. Like, it packs on really well. It really does. The shimmers in here worked nicely. They're not like the best shimmers, but they're not the worst. Like, they're just nice, easy to use shimmers. I do think this is definitely worth your £5. These little palettes are so cute to play with. They actually did come out with the Bare With palette, which was a nude one, and I just thought there's no point using this because I think I may be doing a video on that big XX nude palette. So for now I'm like, yeah, don't worry, I won't be playing with that palette just then, but I might play with it in another video, who knows. This is like my first full face that I've filmed. However, it's not the first impressions. I found the concealer in my shade from Beauty Bay, so I've got free next day delivery, so I'm hoping it turns up like tomorrow or the next day after. Then I can film the first impressions because I really want to do that foundation. But this is the first full face. What do you guys think? I think that eyeshadow palette was amazing. I do think I would use that again. Like, I would pop it out again, but I probably would hold back until autumn. But I do definitely love this palette, and I hope you guys are enjoying Revolution Week. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, please subscribe down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.